Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Love. Today we are going to learn the 12th Arabic alphabet. The 12th Arabic alphabet is Sin. Hi, my name is Sin. 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 For your understanding, you can spell Sin in English as S-C-E-E-N. Seen. It sounds like the English alphabet S. S for sun. Seen. How to pronounce seen? C-E-N. Seen. C-E-N. Seen. The words starting with seen are Sayyara means car, Samak means fish, and Sahab means cloud. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye friends.